In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to export all contacts from Salesforce. Whether you need a quick backup, want to share a list with your team, or plan to import contacts into another tool, this simple process will get you a clean file in just a few clicks. Start by opening Salesforce and heading to the Reports tab. In the Report list, locate the Contacts report. If your organization uses different naming, look for the standard contacts report that lists individual records. Open it, then run the report so you can see the current results on screen. Next, refine the data to include only the contacts you want to export. Use the report filters to narrow the list by things like record owner, created date, status, or any other fields your team relies on. The results you see after filtering are the exact rows that will be exported, so take a moment to confirm you're looking at the right set of people and fields. When the results look good, move to the upper right of the report and click the small caret next to the Edit button. From that drop-down, select Export. If you don't see the option, you may need export permissions. Your admin can enable those for you. You'll be asked to choose how you want the data exported. Pick Formatted Report if you want something that looks like what you see on screen, with groupings, summaries, and some presentation details. Choose Details. Only if you need raw rows and columns that are ideal for analysis, spreadsheets, and importing into other systems. Then, select a file format. Excel files are great for quick review and sharing. CSV is best for large data sets and when you plan to upload into marketing or data tools because it preserves plain text without extra styling. If the data set is big, CSV usually downloads and opens faster. Click Export, and Salesforce will generate the file and download it to your computer. Open it to spot check a few rows, verify the columns, and confirm the filters worked as expected. Remember that the export contains only the data visible based on your filters and permissions at the time you ran it. That's it. You've just exported your Salesforce contacts quickly and cleanly. If you need a different subset later, adjust your filters, run the report again, and repeat the export. For easy tracking, give the file a clear name with the date and store it in your team's shared location so everyone is working from the same list.